topic is about examining effects and predicting causes of collision-related damages or injuries. Let's begin. Let us first recall what collision is. Collision is an event where two or more bodies exert force with each other within a given period of time. In the figure is a collision of a car and a truck. Each of the vehicle exerts forces with one another. Collisions may result to damage or injuries. These damages can be consequences of collision time, upon the force, or by rebounding. Let us first discuss the effects of collision time, upon the force. Recall this example. Jumping with either straight or bent legs from the same height to the ground requires the same impulse. However, bending our legs prolongs the time of collision with the ground, thus, the force dissipates. From here we can see that with the same impulse, as time increases, force decreases. Thus, to minimize the impact of collision time should be prolonged. One example is using seat belt. To prevent severe injuries during vehicle collisions, the driver must always wear a seat. Accidents with severe injuries are mostly due to negligence of wearing seat belts. Same principle is used for the installation of airbags in cars. Airbags protect the driver and the passengers from severe injuries during collisions. Now let us discuss the effect of rebounding. Rebounding is the bouncing off of each object upon collision. Rebounding also involves the change in the direction of an object. Rebounding is also a result of large impulse. Let us look at these examples. We can see that an impulse is required to stop the car. However, if the car will rebound, a greater impulse is required, first to stop the car, and then to throw it back again. Cars may either collide then bounce off, or crumple up having the same velocity after collision. As we have seen earlier, there is a greater impulse whenever objects bounce off. Thus, it is safer when the car crumpled up rather than bouncing off. Passengers will experience a greater force when the impulse is large. Because of possible vehicular accidents, cars are made with crumple zones to minimize the effects of collision. First, crumple zones prevent the cars from rebounding. Another is, it prolongs the time of collision to reduce the force. In summary, we have learned that collision time, or rebounding, may affect the severity of collision-related damages or injuries. Prolonging the time of collision as well as crumpling instead of rebounding may reduce the effect of collision. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.